Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, both these levels here are now irrelevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's make mapping out where levels of support and resistance as kind of as clean and easy to see as possible. First level of resistance actually started off based on the fact that it was a key level of support throughout the course of the day. Right here at $14.30, you can see that was where the lowest it went during the first 30 minutes, and the price came down here, and it did a great job of holding strong. And then that happened right there, and it was down the toilet it went. And this is now just all based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed above, they tend to act as resistance. So now if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, $14.30 is going to be that first key level of resistance. You also want to keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, that line is going to move itself lower and lower. So yes, right now it's valued at $15.22, but like I said, because that line is going to move lower, that value will also drop too. However, I'm getting way too far ahead of ourselves. First, the price just has to simply bounce up to $14.30 and then get through there. And then at that point, it'll make more sense to focus on that 50-period moving average. What about levels of support now? Well, for this, got to squeeze down the chart here a little bit because it's been a long time since the price has been down this low. But next key level of support to keep an eye on, going to be down here at this former breakout area and essentially the gap close location, which sits right there around $13.30. So $13.30 going to be that next key overall level of support going forward. Not saying the price is for sure headed down here because there's no such thing as a guarantee. The price is essentially in kind of no man's land here as far as where the next overall levels of support are. So it would not be shocking at all to see the price at minimum go down to $13.30. But we'll have to see what happens. The good news is the week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. Real quick, if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find value in this live web class that I'm offering. It's totally free, so if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claytrader.com/live or just see the link in the description area. It is live, like I said, so there's a question and answer session. It's all very interactive. So go to that link, get signed up, and I'll see you at the class.